Hello students, most welcome to all of you. Before commencing the lecture, I would like to share you one important point, that the lectures which have been already taught must remember them properly and always try to make notes. That will help you better in the boosting of your confidence. Alright? So always the lecture which have been completed must make the note properly and revise the lecture twice or thrice. That will help you more better in understanding the fact clearly. Alright? Now come on the topic. Come on children. So as you are knowing, we are studying the topic atoms and molecule, in which in today's video lecture we are going to study one more point of that very topic, that is ions, about ions and polyatomic ions, including atomicity. So these points just we are going to discuss. So first of all, what is ions? So many times you have seen that what are ions, how ions are formed. So as you are knowing, the ionic compounds are generally formed by the ions, and on dissociation they give, dissociation means after decomposition they breaks into two kinds of ions, in which one having positively charge called cation and other having neutrally charge called anion. So on this basis the ions can be defined as, listen sincerely, what is ion? So an ion is an atom or group of atom that contains or that having a positive charge or that carrying a positive or a negative charge is called ions, and they behave as a single unit. Okay, listen once more. What are ions? An ion is an atom or group of atom that carries a positive or a negative charge and behaves as a single unit is called ion. And the ion which contains positive charge or electrically positive is called cation. Okay, the ion which carries positive charge or it is electrically positive is called cation, while the ion which carries negative charge or electrically negative called anion. Okay, so I think it is clear that what is ion, what is cation and what is anion. Some good example of cation can be written as, you have heard the name of H plus. What is the name? Hydrogen ion. Name is hydrogen ion. Okay, containing positive charge, one positive charge, so it is cation. Similarly, you have heard the name of sodium ion. That is what symbol? Na plus. Similarly, magnesium ion. That is Mg plus 2. Similarly, aluminium ion. Having plus 3 positive charge. So you can see that the ions are species which containing positive charge are called cations, which are the part of ion. Okay, Similarly, some good examples of anions are, and according to definition, the ions which carry negative charge are, they are electrically negative, are called anion. Though some good example of anions can be written as, you have heard the name of hydride ion. Okay children, symbol is H minus. H plus rated hydrogen ion, H minus and containing negative charge, so that coming under the category of anion. So hydride ion is H minus. Similarly, you have heard the name of oxide ion. Oxide ion, that is O minus 2. O minus 2 means oxygen here containing 2 negative charge, called oxide ion. Similarly, nitride ion, that is N containing 3 negative charge, is called nitride ion. And you are clearly observing that they all are containing negative charges. So what? They are anions. So H minus, O minus 2, N minus 2. Similarly, you have heard the name of sulfide ion. What? That is S minus 2 is a sulfide ion. Similarly, you have heard the name of nitrite ion. That is formula NO2 minus. Children, you have to remember them. Alright? That is nitrite ion. Similarly, nitrate ion. Nitrate ion. Formula is what? NO3 minus. So one is nitrite, N minus 3. One is nitrite, NO2 minus. Other is nitrate, NO3 minus. Clear? Similarly, the fluoride ion, Fluoride, fluoride ion is F minus. So, these are the some good examples of anions, and there are some good example of cations. Some more you can add here. You have heard the name of lithium ion. You can listen. So what will be that is Li plus. Okay? Is it? So similarly, you have heard the name of hydronium ion. That is what? That is S3O plus. Name is hydronium ion. Okay? So these are the example of cations. These are the example of anion. Must remember. And just they are following according to the definition, means the ions which carry positive charge will be cation, the ion which carry negative charge will be anion. So this is all about ion, cation and anion. Now come on the polyatomic ions. What are polyatomic ions? So polyatomic ions are the atoms or group of atoms. This can listen sincerely. What are polyatomic ions? The polyatomic ions are the group of atoms that carries a net charge is called polyatomic ion. Listen once more. Polyatomic ions are those ions, or you can say the ions are polyatomic ions are group of atoms which carries a net positive charge or a net negative charge is called polyatomic ion. For example, meaning is a group of atoms. So group of atom means more than 2 atoms should be must present. So you have heard the name of this very ion, ammonium ion, which is called NH4 plus. Name is a ammonium ion. So it is a good example of what? Polyatomic ion. ammonium ion. Similarly, hydronium ion, H3O plus, hydronium ion. So according to definition, children, group of atom which containing net positive charge means ammonium ion containing one positive charge, similarly hydronium ion containing one positive charge. So such type of ions are called polyatomic ions. Other example you can put, you have heard the name of SO4 minus 2. It is also a group of atom and name is a sulfate ion. Children, no matter it is a plus or minus. If plus, there will be cation, but we are talking about polyatomic ions. So they are group of atom, but you have to focus on what the charge is present. Means according to definition, group of atom which containing net positive or net negative charge is called polyatomic ion. So sulfate ion. Similarly, carbonate ion, CO3 minus 2 is called carbonate ion. Similarly, PO4 minus 3 is called phosphate ion. Phosphate ion. More simply, OH minus called what? Hydroxide ion. Hydroxide ion. So these are some good examples of polyatomic ions. Now come on the atomicity. One more point, listen. Just what is atomicity? So children, atomicity is the number of atoms which are present in a molecule of the element. Listen, what is atomicity? Atomicity is the number of atoms that present in a given molecule of the element is called atomicity. For example, in oxygen, it is formed by the combination of two oxygen atoms. So its atomicity is 2. Okay. Similarly, suppose writing O3. O3 means ozone. Ozone is formed by the combination of 3 oxygen atoms. So its atomicity is 3. Similarly, water, H2O. This is formed by the combination of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. So its atomicity is 3. Alright. So this is all about, children, ions, polyatomic ions and atomicity. Must remember they are very essential in upcoming lectures. That with that point, this point will be implemented. So on the importance of these ions and polyatomic ions, must remember what are the definition, what are the example, and how you can find atomicity. So children, this is all about ions. Remember them properly, and in next lecture we will be with a new point, that is how molecular mass is determined. So that's all about ions and polyatomic ions. All the best. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.